Right here working on this box, getting the sanding work done. Yeah. What I'm doing here is where I took the pinstripe. There was a pinstripe and I was on the car when it was gray. And when dude painted it, it showed up underneath and it looked really ugly. So me and Kayla's taking that off right now. And y'all remember I had a big old piece of rust right here. Y'all can see that's all surface now because it's all coming off. All of it. Look at that. Gotta get that corner a little better. That'll show up. Other than that, my candy should look pretty decent out here. Yeah. Alright, y'all. We out.